Hello, all. Welcome to our channel. So this regarding for how to promote your business by using for article submission website like PPT, PDF submission website. How we can understanding the all concept. We can presentation will be in a particular website. How to redirect your traffic on your particular website purpose. So first of all, article submission purpose we can first of all note on it. So mainly there is the article submission site. Article posting, we will post the article for each keyword in different article posting sites with the document, PPT and PDF. What is the purpose of article each keyword? So the people will be searching any kind of keyword in Google. It will show your particular website. For example, digital marketing training in Pragati Nagar. So anybody is showing for same like Suleika, Urban Pro, Pinterest, algorithm training, and VLR training, IndianInfo.net. So a number of websites are there. In this, we have to use option name is called slideshare.net. So this website will be same, will be sufficient. We can see for any kind of blogs will be useful for the particular user perspective. So they will be promoting your particular keywords. So you're getting for results on your particular web pages. How it is, finally, we can go to this option. They can see will be here and download the PPT. What are the options are here? That all will be, you can go for hyperlink option. So that hyperlink, first of all, you can prepare the one PPT option. The PPT slides will minimum required for 10 slides. So that is the compulsory you will be show on particular option will be particular 10 slides option. So along with the proper keyword, this keyword will be digital online training Hyderabad. Now select your, there are the multiple website. So this will be slideshare.net, issue, author stream. So many websites are there. In this, I'm selecting for two websites, slideshare.net and issue. So many are there. We can go to this option. We can go to blogs. Here will be, excuse me. Here will be, we have to add by the n number of web pages. Will be PPT presentation will be there. We can write down the article and follow the article will be here. You can follow these articles and promote your keywords based on this a particular option. Most of the website will be issue, author stream, and slideshare everything. So the author stream. This will be online presentation option. We'll go to for sign in. So which mail you will be sign in here. Click for sign in option. I'll show you how you can promote your keywords. First of all, I'll make the PPT is done. My PPT will be properly designed. Online training in is not available only for in this. Control F. Any keyword is matching, not match any keyword. So what we'll do for click for upload, select your file, where exact file will be there. Go to the file location. So I can go for click for this article. Same like that. There are multi option is there along with the search content option. So we add the content. Just choose category, add your tags. Compulsory domain name hashtag is compulsory important. So I click for robots, and when it is done by 100% option will be finished, they enable by the publish option. What are the important will be here? These are the particular options are here. So in this, click for publish. Here, what we can important is called proper URL structure, proper title, and proper description. So here, so here, this is a PPT option. Here is the particular things. Total 44 slides. The option will be here. Contact us. Option will be a particular things. No. Anything is missing. So one PP we can change the first title and upload by number of websites. So here same PPT. So we can use this image. Save as PPT. Save. So every location will be same. Will upload and proper the content will be here. So next website issue. How we can post the site. Public profile. Here is a lot of postings are here for the article. See how you can show the articles will be here. Everything will be site pattern. Like you can scan book by upload by here, and people will be easily for reading purpose. That's the option. Yeah. These are option here. They all will be support. Upload document and drag and drop. The Google everything. The device, everything. But everything mentioned by the manual for each and every keyword. So what is the benefit of this one? The keyword will ranking they direct from your website for the particular location. So article submission, so many websites are there, like issue, slide share, other chain. Those all will be dependent by the keyword ranking purpose to increase your website. Traffic also will be increased by based on the article. See this one. This article same like video, how you can display same like will be there into PPT. But the video will be coming to this motion option, but this will be complete for PPT presentation. Here is some things. So we can go with and add your website link. Click for publish now. Title of the what is the theme will be here. Publish now. So yeah, you're going to upload here. Confirm with your publish option. View for live. So always remember the URL structure is more and more important. So when I using for title will be short URL is better compared to the long URL. All keyword cover and we can add by the particular keyword option in a particular PPT presentation. So anything this URL will be copy, paste for incognito window. There's a private browser. People come into your website, they can read your article. If his people are impressed, they will contact your number by search by Google option. So this one will be the and click, they go to your my particular website. That is hyperlink is working for your PPT presentation website also. Is it clear? First, what we can select the keyword and make the PPT, upload for the slide share, issue, authorship, everything. So that is I'm showing first main example. Slide share and issue will be shown easily. Particular updating for content and show your portfolio by increasing for particular option. So article submission mainly focus about keyword based on your business. So use on the keywords based on the categories, upload the content on a particular website. Can you easily optimize by the article submission to generating leads through your keyword also. So if you have any question regarding for article submission sites, anything, please ask me to my channel. Definitely will be help for the article submission purpose. Like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.